TikTok creativity program is going crazy nowadays. People are making thousands of dollars from just uploading short-form content. Making money online has never been easier than nowadays. So if you're thinking of generating at least $1,000 per month, these is your golden chance. TikTok creativity program is paying $1,000 for 1 million. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You think how the hell I'm gone get 1 million views. So don't worry about that. I got you. So to join the TikTok creativity program, you have to get 1,000 followers and 100,000 likes, as well as your videos must be 1 minute longer. But the most important is not these. The most important are these one things, the location. You're probably asking, what do you mean about the location? Why is the location important? Okay, TikTok creativity program is only allowed on few countries. Here are the countries TikTok creativity program are allowed to join. So you have to make sure that you have to be from these countries, because if you are not from these countries, you can't join the TikTok creativity program. No, you can join, but you have to do something for that. Yeah, there is a way you can join the TikTok creativity program that is getting a legit USA TikTok account. And for these, there is a website that will give you a legit USA TikTok account. You just have to choose how many accounts you need and boom, you will get the account. But make sure to read the instruction, all of them carefully, because even after you get a USA TikTok account, you have to be careful about what you do. Because of that, make sure to read all the instructions on the website. So if you are not in these countries and you want to try these legit way that will guarantee you to join the TikTok creativity program, I will leave a link in the description below with 20% discount if you use ExposeYT. Okay, now after creating our account, we need to choose a viral niche. Okay, to be honest, there is no viral niche, but there is a trending niche. I mean, it's starting from zero or jumping on the train that is already moving. So we will start with these trend niches. So to create these video and to choose niche, we will not use the traditional method, all the editing steps and blah blah. I have for you guys a platform that will blow your mind. These platform AI will create all the videos starting from title up to description, all the video editing staffs like sound effect, transition, background music, voiceover and all. So here you have just to sign in and start creating your videos. So these amazing tool is called autoshorts.io. These tool will help you to create and post automatically while you are resting or enjoying your vacation. So first guys, if you want complete automation, these is the right way. All will be done for you while sitting and watching. So to create videos is simple. To pick your topic, preview your video and manage your series. Series means like a niche. What type of series you will do means which one niche you will start. There is many of them here, like random AI stories, scary stories, motivational story, bedtime stories, interesting history, fun facts, long form jokes, life pro tips, and philosophy. You get what I meant. So if you choose from these means you get your series. Okay, now to create a video, we have simple 3 steps. The first one is to hit the create button and choose your destination. Means choose where your video series will be posted. Here you can choose your TikTok account or your YouTube account. And if you want to post them by yourself, you can just choose email me to download the videos and upload them yourself. And the second step is, what will your video series be about? You have to choose in which series you want to create the video. You have all the series we mentioned before. Okay, for these video, we will choose life pro tips. After that, we have to choose the voiceover for the video. We choose which language we need for the video. Now, after doing all that, we hit the create the series button. Now we have the video ready. It has a title, description with different hashtags as well as all the script. So with just one click, we generated a video that can generate a ton of cash from the TikTok creativity program, by the way. Because I am using the free plan, I can't change or customize, but if you have a paid plan, you can post automatically by connecting your TikTok or YouTube account, even if you notice these videos have anything. It's great, but they misses one thing, background music, because in the free plan, it doesn't add background music, but of course, I can add it when I download the video through my Gmail. These is the best way to generate passive income through the TikTok creativity program. It's automated. So let's go to pricing. These platform, they have 4 plans, 1 free. With these one, you can only post 1 video a week, as well as no auto post to the channel. The second one is the starter plan with $19 per month, where you can post 3 times a week, as well as you can auto post to your channel directly. And the third one is the daily plan with $39 for a month. Also here, you can do auto post directly to your channel and you can post once a day. And the last one is a hardcore plan with $69 for a month. In these plan, you can post 2 in a day as well, the auto post. By the way, if you want to try different niches or series, just add the series in the plan you deciding to start. If it is the starter, add the plus icon and the price will change and give you the result. So guys, let's be honest, I didn't use these one, but I know some friends who try these and it's working well for them. These means it also will work for you guys. So if you want to use the platform to generate videos while enjoying, I will leave a link in the description below. And don't forget guys, nothing is simple.